our school head, my co-teachers, and of course the barangay officials to come out the stage and do the honor. Thank you for Vice Mayor Reynaldo Corrales for coming over, sir. Thank you very much. So please allow me to read the citation. Department of Education, Region 1, Pangasinan, Division 2, Santa Maria District, Namagbagan Elementary School. Plaque of Appreciation is awarded to Josephine F. Sibayan in grateful acknowledgement for her invaluable services rendered as guest of honor and speaker of Namagbagan Elementary School during the 2016 graduation and recognition. Thereby, the dynamism of her presence and message contributed immeasurably to the success and prestige of the event. Given this 29th day of March 2016 at Namagbagan Elementary School, Namagbagan, Santa Maria, Pangasinan, signed, P.U.X. Cortez, Teacher 3, Eden E. Evangelista, Public Schools District Supervisor. Music, maestro. Music.